Hey friends, welcome back to the joyful space where we will explore dance and movement, one playful step at a time. In today's episode, we're going to learn how to walk on demi-pointe. So, without further ado, hello, my name is Miss Jackie and welcome to Learn Like a Child. For this next exercise, walking on demi-pointe, I want you to imagine what it's like for a duck when it's out of water. Did you ever imagine what the duck's feet do in the water? Under the water, that is. If you lift a duck out of its water, the feet will continue to paddle with a rhythm. So we're going to imitate the same. Now, think an imaginary string above your head, pulling you tall, ears far away from your shoulders as possible, thumbelinas hidden behind, and we'll begin with a rise. Take a little breath, up, and walk, 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 paddle, 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 down. Once again. Once again. Do your calf muscles feel after all those walking on demi-pointes and running on your demi-pointes? I'm sure they feel a little tired, perhaps maybe a little tight. So I'm going to show you how to relax them. Turn to your side, bend the right knee, loop your arm underneath, and think of your calf muscles like you're squeezing a ball all the way down towards your ankle, like this. And squeeze, and squeeze, and squeeze, and squeeze. Then you change and squeeze, and squeeze, and squeeze, and squeeze. Squeeze, and squeeze, and squeeze, and squeeze. There you have it. One more stretch. Do you remember up to the ceiling, down to the floor? Let's just do fingers do the walking and catch them. And hold it, and hold, and hold, and hold. At the same time, now add a kiss. There you have it. Let's try with the music.